located in the northernmost part of Europe, is a place that captivates people by its stunning natural beauty and distinct culture. It is bordered with Sweden in the west, Russia towards the east as well as to the east, and by the Baltic Sea to the south. Finland offers a geographical place that lies of Eastern as well as Western Europe. It is a place full of contrasts. Winter nights run all night with the enchanting northern lights illuminating the sky, and summers bathed by the dazzling midnight sun. Finland is also well known for the sauna culture, a tradition that is so firmly rooted within the Finnish lifestyle that it's difficult to imagine a life without it. It is a Nordic paradise. The way of life is shaped by stunning natural beauty and a creative spirit and a strong connection to the nature. What's the real-life experience like in this amazing nation? Let's look closer at Finland and uncover the secrets of Finland. Finland hosts approximately 5.5 million inhabitants, which is a small amount considering the size of the country's land. The Finnish population spreads across an area of 38,000 square kilometers of territory, with the majority of people located in the urban regions on the coast of the south. Helsinki, the capital city Helsinki, has a population of 650,000 people, which makes Helsinki the biggest city in Finland and is next to Tampere as well as Espoo. Finland faces an aging population with an increasing number of people who are elderly and a declining birth rate. This is creating difficulties as there are fewer young people available to help support the aging population. Additionally, there is a constant shift from cities to rural areas in search of more opportunities to work and have access to modern conveniences. Yet Finland manages to maintain an excellent standard of living for its citizens through the social welfare system and policies that guarantee the balance between a smaller population and a thriving and well-functioning society. Finland is a place full of breathtaking contrasts, featuring landscapes that vary from thick forests to a vast array of lakes, as well as the icy splendor that is Lapland in the northernmost part of the country. The country covers over 338,000 square kilometers. Making one of the biggest nations in Europe, however, it is very sparsely populated. The beauty of Finland's natural landscape is the hallmark of its country. Around 188,000 lakes, vast expanses of forests, and the famous archipelago on the coast of southern Finland make it an ideal destination for those who love nature. The most unique characteristics of Finland's geography, its location in the Arctic Circle, which makes Finland one of the most beautiful places to view the enchanting northern lights. The nation's national parks are an example of its dedication to the preservation of natural landscapes and provide visitors with a chance to explore the unspoiled nature. The climate in Finland can be extremely brutal, with long, cold winters bringing massive snowfalls and frigid temperatures. During summer, the weather is less humid, providing an incredibly short time of sunshine. This combination of harsh weather adds to Finland's unique appeal and is a major influence on the Finnish lifestyle. The Finnish history is characterized by a string of interesting shifts which have formed the unique Finnish identity. The first settlers to arrive were a few thousand years old, and various tribes inhabited the area prior to the time that Finland became a recognized entity. For many centuries, Finland was under the administration of Sweden starting in the 12th century to 1809, which was the year it was handed over to Russia following the Finnish War. The phase of Russian rule ran until Finland declared independence on the 6th of December in 1917, following the demise of the Russian Empire. The nation that was newly independent was faced with a variety of difficulties and tribulations, including a bloody conflict in the year 1918, but remained resilient. Finland was a key player in World War II, where it fought its own Soviet Union in the Winter War, 1939 to 1940, and then became a part of Nazi Germany during the Continuation War, 1941 to 1944, in order to recover the territory it had lost. Following the conflict, Finland underwent a remarkable transformation, moving from an agricultural, rural society to an industrialized, modern nation. The transformation coincided with the development of a distinct national identity, formed by its historical roots, along with influences from Sweden as well as Russia. Finland is a sophisticated and diverse economy, well known for its focus on innovation, technology, and industry. The country has been a leading player in areas such as electronics, with firms like Nokia at one time dominating the world's cell phone market. Alongside technological advancements, Finland is a powerhouse in other sectors, such as forestry, where it is one of the top producers of paper-based products, as well as energy, especially renewable sources like hydroelectric power and wind. Finnish economic system is heavily dependent on exports, especially to neighboring countries such as Sweden, Germany, and Russia, and new markets like Asia. This dependence on international trade is both a positive and a negative in that economic turmoil around the world could have significant effects. Yet Finland maintains a high quality of life with good wages and a low rate of unemployment. Finland is known for its high level of education, innovation, as well as social security that contribute to the stability of its economy and its prosperity. The Finnish economy is constantly evolving by embracing the latest technology and sustainable practices in order to stay in the forefront of global competition. The Finnish culture is dependent on its rich tradition and history, the indigenous Sami people who have resided in northern regions of Finland for a long time. The Finnish language is an interesting part of Finnish culture. It is completely different from the languages used by its neighbors, making it a unified and a defining factor to the Finnish people. Finland's passion for art and design is also an integral part of its culture, and internationally acclaimed designers, such as Alvar Aalto, contributing to the nation's reputation for its simple, functional, and original design. Finnish architecture, especially in cities such as Helsinki, has modernist elements that are complemented by an appreciation for nature, which makes the built environment a vital part in Finnish culture. One of the most important aspects in Finnish living is the sauna. It's a traditional practice that is more than just a method to relax. It's a profound emotional and emotionally satisfying experience. For Finn, saunas are an experience of connection to nature, community in addition to inner harmony. Finns also appreciate music, literature, and festivals with a deep reverence for both its old practices and contemporary expressions, which makes it a lively mix of modern and old. And Finland's educational system is widely considered to be one of the top worldwide, renowned for its stance on diversity, creativity, as well as student well-being. One of the pillars that make up Finnish education is the emphasis on ensuring the same opportunities to all students, regardless of origins or location. This has resulted in extremely high literacy rates, as well as Finnish students consistently being as the best performers in the world in areas such as math, science, and reading. One distinctive feature that is unique to Finnish school is that they have a low amount of homework assigned to students, giving them to have more time for games and other extracurricular activities. This balance encourages the development of social skills and creativity. Teachers who are valued and highly trained enjoy the most autonomy in their classrooms, which allows them to modify their methods of teaching to meet the individual needs of students. Finnish schools also stress that learning should be a process through experiences and out in the open, ensuring that education isn't just about academics, but it is also about creating strong, healthy, and happy people. The life of Finland is defined by a balanced approach to the demands of work and time off, and a strong connection to nature, which is a major part of everyday life. Finns prefer a balanced life balance with plenty of holidays and a fervent respect for their personal time. The Finnish lifestyle also has its roots on the significance of personal space and family. Family is a major part of Finnish society, and lots of families are able to spend time in outdoor activities like cycling, hiking, or simply enjoying the natural surroundings. It is believed that the Finnish notion sisu is another important element of their culture. The word, commonly described as resilience or determination, describes the Finnish capability to overcome the challenges with grace and force. It's a mentality that affects not just how Finns take on their personal lives, as well as how they deal with tough situations in their national and professional spheres. Sisu helps to define the Finnish way of life, in which challenges are met with calm determination and a steadfast faith in the strength of perseverance. Finland is full of distinctive traditions that provide an insight into its culture spirit. The most important customs is celebrating Midsummer, the holiday that signifies the beginning of the summer season and is generally considered the most significant event in the calendar. In midsummer, families and friends get together to enjoy fires, nature, and revel in this longest holiday of the year, in which the sun never sets in northern regions of Finland. A further integral aspect of Finnish tradition can be found in the sauna, an activity that is more than an opportunity to detoxify the body, but an activity that encourages relaxation as well as a greater connection to oneself and the nature. For Finn saunas, it is an ideal space to reflect and relaxation. Finland is also the home of some unusual traditions, including kalsarikannet, which translates to drinking wearing your underwear. This is typically used to unwind after a long and tiring day. The concept of silence is an integral element in Finnish life. In a culture that is devoted to privacy, Finns are comfortable with silence, whether during conversations or when in silence, and are viewed as a moment of calm instead of awkwardness. These distinctive traditions are part of the rich culture of Finland and provide a better appreciation of Finnish way of living. Finland is a nation which offers a wealth of natural beauty as well as unique experiences for visitors. There is a unique experience for everyone. Northern Lights, one of the most stunning natural phenomena, draw people from all around the world to Finland's northern areas, which are where the skies are dazzling with vivid colors. The tranquil lakes of Finland, the dense forests and snow-covered landscapes create an ideal destination for those who love the outdoors, with things like dog sledding and ice fishing and cross-country skiing becoming common pastimes. Lapland particularly is a favorite destination for visitors seeking to discover the enchanting winter wonderland. You can even see Santa Claus in his hometown of Rovaniemi. Beyond the beauty of nature, the vibrant city life of Finland, particularly in Helsinki, is an array of modern-day architectural styles, festivals of culture museums, and an exciting nightlife. If it's the grand architecture that is Helsinki or the serene nature in Finnish countryside, there is something for everyone. Finnish landscape, the Finnish tourist scene has something for everyone, and is a must-see location for anyone seeking the thrills and the relaxation. Finland is fortunate in the sense that it has a low sensitivity to natural disasters due to its geographical position and its steady climate. Finland is not susceptible to large volcanic eruptions or earthquakes and is not a frequent victim of the types of extreme natural phenomena that are common to other regions of the globe. But Finland does face occasional problems with extreme weather conditions, like severe winter storms or heavy rainfall that could cause localized flooding. The harsh winter weather that include heavy snowfall and cold temperatures may also cause disruptions, but Finland is prepared for the challenges. Finland's infrastructure is built for extreme weather conditions, as well as the authorities have an effective emergency management system to ensure the safety of citizens. In rural areas where snow or ice could block roads, the efficient snow removal system keeps Finland moving. Although Finland might not be able to face the same risks of natural disasters like other countries, however, it is ready for any severe winter or storm, as it ensures that the security of their citizens. Although Finland is renowned for its standard of living, but the country is also facing numerous social issues. One of the major issues is mental health, with rising rates of anxiety, depression, and other mental health disorders within the population. This is especially concerning when considering Finland's population aging that puts additional stress on social and healthcare services. The population of the elderly in Finland is increasing, and with it, the issue of providing sufficient assistance and care. Despite these challenges, Finland has made significant progress in dealing with these issues. Finland is known for its stance on gender equality and offers an inclusive model and equality of opportunity both in the workplace and at home. Finland's robust social welfare system makes sure that every citizen, regardless of their status, enjoy access to healthcare, unemployment benefits, and social assistance. In addition, Finland has worked hard to include immigrants and promote social equality, while ensuring that immigrants find their place within Finnish society. This dedication to inclusion is the hallmark of Finland's approach to social issues. While there are obstacles to overcome, the country's proactive attitude continues to be the foundation for growth. Finland's infrastructure has been a model of sustainability and efficiency built to serve both rural and urban areas. A major and striking feature to the Finnish infrastructure is the public transportation network. It has a large and well-coordinated railway system that connects large cities and remote areas as well. Finland also has an advanced road system, which makes it simple to travel across the country, regardless of time of year. Alongside transport, Finland is known for its advanced technology infrastructure that is regularly considered among the best around the globe. Internet access at high speed is accessible in nearly every part of Finland, including remote regions, making sure that every business and citizen are connected. Finland's dedication towards sustainability can be seen in its choices for infrastructure, which are centered on green technologies, energy efficiency, and environmentally friendly design. It doesn't matter if it's the efficient public transport system or the nation's ambitious targets for zero carbon emissions, Finland has a strong commitment to creating a future that balances economic growth and sustainability, which benefits both rural and urban communities. Finland is regularly ranked in the top 10 most secure nations in the world that has low crime rates and a high sense of security in the community. The crime rate in Finland is considerably lower than those of other countries, and violent crimes are particularly uncommon. The Finnish approach to safety is based on prevention and has a high degree of confidence in the police and a strong emphasis of social integration. The legal system of Finland is rooted in honesty and transparency and focuses on rehabilitation, not punishment for those who are in trouble. This progressive approach to criminal justice has resulted in being among the countries with one of lowest rates of recidivism worldwide, which demonstrates the efficacy of Finland's system. Social policies in Finland that focus on dealing with factors that cause crime, poverty, as well as social exclusion and mental health, contribute to maintaining an environment that is safe for everyone. Additionally, the Finns' communities are typically close-knit, with a particular commitment to mutual respect and accountability, and contributes to the overall feeling of security and safety that Finns are able to enjoy. Finland is well known for its outstanding health and social welfare systems, which offer an all-inclusive healthcare system for all citizens. Its Finnish health system, which is public funded and provides high-quality services ranging from basic medical care to specific treatments. Finns have access to healthcare that's affordable, thorough, and easily accessible regardless of level of income or social class. This model of universal healthcare can be described as one of the pillars of Finland's high standards of living. Alongside healthcare, Finland has a robust social safety net which includes benefits for unemployment, pensions, as well as family allowances, to ensure that the citizens are well cared for in times of crisis. However, as the population ages, the rising costs of healthcare, particularly for the elderly, pose challenges for the sustainability of these services. Although the system is effective, it is also subject to constant discussions on ways to make sure it has longevity and maintain the high standards. However, Finland's social welfare and healthcare systems are among the best in the world, and the government continues to look at ways to modify and improve to meet the demands of a rapidly changing society.